other members of your division, all my LLG, our presidents, ward councillors, were able to come and get it today. Our CEO, chairman of the board of Yangon Secondary and your board, staff and students, parents, well wishers who came here today for this very special occasion. Reporter of Live TV, TV1 who are here today, we acknowledge you. Members of the police force, all the parents, all the Yangon Social, right throughout our four LGs. Thank you very much, Lokam. Lord, this is a historic occasion today. Thank you, students, for braving it out in the sun. Thank you very, very much. Today is start of a new chapter in Yangon Social education history. Now, good. The days of the old Yangon High School and Secondary is going to go today. As we start a new chapter with the cutting of one of the finest administration building of any secondary school in the country. To the chairman and CEO and your board, what for making us extremely proud. Lord, this is a great occasion today. Fighting all the world. Today we acknowledge our friends and the builders and the carpenters for a very fantastic job. Fighting all the world. You have made us extremely proud. It's very rare to see a building like that. A landmark, iconic building in a school like that anywhere in the country. We have to be very proud and very thankful to the people that work behind the scenes to make it happen under the leadership of our board chairman and outgoing CEO of Yangon Social District. Thank you again, Apadi Manlong. Over the last 7 years, Yangon Social District has been spending 40 million on Sikkim law education. No other district in this province is seeking money like that. I'm telling all of you. God first and education is second. You will hear and go. If you go now to countries like Belgium, countries like Denmark, you hear and go. Only know what 1 block gold, only know what 1 block copper, no oil palm, no fish. They depend on the skills and the brains of their citizens to be first world nations. I'm telling all of you. You build a nation on the back of the education of your children and the skills of your human capital. You want to build a district, you invest in education. Enga is the leading district in Papua New Guinea. St. Peter Ipatas have invest free education 25 years ago. Today they are reaping the benefits of the investment in education. Today, every year in UPNG, first year students, and as like say 550 students. ECB in total only 100. I haven't got one promise skill in Miogana. Because they had a leader with a dream and a vision. You will fall for CPK. We talk too much, but we are putting our money where our mouth is, and that's in education. And quality as well. So thank you, Lemon Rokam. You can bleed now, we'll support you. My mother and me stop and be moving from. When I went to Brandy High School, you will have a word of Sumatin. That's why I wanted all of you to hear before I come to speak. Both you had good teachers, you had good. Brandy was the top high school in Papua New Guinea, top academic school. When I went to grade 7, they gave me a set of school rules. No gunman by drink beer and come to school. No boyfriend and no girlfriend. 7 o'clock everybody's in study. You late after 1 minute, 2 hours punishment. Discipline was the order of the day and academic excellence. My development is at Drixton Nakamura School. I am going to board members blow here. I want to thank all of you because you are not firm on discipline in this school. Yeah. Hurry. Next year I want a rule book. Every student come to Yanguru, you sign. You drink them out. We don't need to waste time with you. Boyfriend, girlfriend, you have no place in this place. That's what I mean academic excellence. By starting your grade 9, you going up to grade 12. No mucking around in this place. Look at hang up when you blow over the time, you'll never find a job. I'm telling all of you. They invested 25 years ago. They are reaping the benefits. Very disciplined. They hire the best teachers, white and black and all over the country, to go and teach in Enga. Teachers don't know sparking around on the school. Be a bad example to the students. Young secondary staff in the Haram, you must set the example in this school. So you don't compromise on the issue of discipline and behavior. And Chairman and Mr. Bagabi, don't employ drugs as leaders in education in this province. We'll never get there if we are going to take over this nation. Everybody is taking over civic because we muck around on discipline. We hire bad leaders. We don't reward excellence. Then you put on a staff. If Yangon is going to take the lead, our district is going to take the lead, then we have to change the culture of education. Start from elementary and come all the way to our high school, junior high schools, and primary schools. So excellence is not just this school. And by start of grade 9, don't tell a place. Uniform I'm issued by you bought, not by DDA. If I buy uniform for Yangon, I have to buy for everybody. I don't have funds for that. You go and organize yourself. Why other schools get uniform? You don't work it. And probably you bought. And you need to be taught. Next year, these kids must have a uniform, all of them. They are in a school of excellence. So organize yourself in a school board. Wake up! They must be proud to be students of Yangon School of Excellence. They come here on Monday, Wednesday, Friday with uniforms. Then you expect them to work hard at school. Because they have pride in the school they go to. So boy, you have a lot of work to do in management in this place. You don't blame anybody else, you blame yourself. That's what many of us today national stuff. So wake up and sort yourself out. This year we are building 2 more high schools. Thank you, Mr. Bagabi. I know you submitted the papers. I want to thank you again. Next year, Numbu High School comes on, Winga High School comes on. We are going to put 2 more high schools, junior high schools. In total 7. Nagam Golo Secondary. Mr. Bagabi, I'm happy to tell you, we will take the first 120 students in the School of Excellence with your support and with the teaching positions that you will provide. We will get 90 and I'll give the province 30. Want me to go, sir? I want to work with you. This is a guinea pig for the whole of East. We may take the lead, but we want to be also an asset to the province. So you find 30, we'll find 90 from our system in Yangon South here. We'll give you 30 places. So that we like in province too, embracing concept because it's new. Now you only want them, now we want them to build it as a model, and then we can replicate that in all the other districts in our province. We don't agree. I'm all set. You are clear? You want by all people? Then the mother now. Here they have. Then they are not looking at it. So please, thank you, Mr. Yannin, for an excellent job last 7 years. You are going to go down in history as the CEO that worked with me to move this School of Excellence concept. But long the road is not yet, and Yabai will come in now and we'll have to work to continue the process and consolidate the good work you have started. Mr. Yabai will officially take over on the 1st of October as the new CEO of Yangon South District. While we really pension to come down with me to Mosby and go to school. I need to go to school, travel with Mr. Sister long time. I need to go and upgrade him. And that's what he will do next year. Mr. Yafai, in front of Mr. Bagabi, I'm telling you this. Your first job is to write a letter to the new board chairman. I want a new code of conduct for students who come to Yangon Secondary from grade 9 all the way to the School of Excellence. Yes. A rule book that tells you all the school rules. You drink similar place, you finish local national school. Suspended 1 year, finish, go. We are going to go down to the village, watch your behavior there and come all the way to school. Because behavior starts there. So write a noble rule, every student must sign a contract. This is the behavior by people behind my rule, conduct by me behind. You broke it, you finish. Why should young resources waste all this money? Now you will play out the opportunity, which other students and districts are not getting. You are very privileged, and with privilege comes responsibility. Me not put you all on something. Young people man, I mean put you in education. They are suffering because of your education. So respect your education now. Look at your investment now. Make sure you make the most of it. I want to see a change in behavior from the principal of this school all the way to the staff, coming down to you students, going into your communities. Otherwise, 30,000 public students come out of the system every year. Grade 12. 6,000 placed for technical college university. But you establish a place here. You haven't got. Nobody will build your future. And leadership will not start what you live and build the future of the stuff. So take responsibility for your education. And be serious. Forget my friends and girlfriends. Forget them saying about that. Focus on coming to school on time and focusing on your studies. I want to be very clear. Australia government, the people of Australia, only put in 18 million of the school, 18 million. That's a very significant investment. Now, first time in the history of this country, one of the districts in Kandy also from the country also. We have made history. You're not and proud, but let me tell you this. And name us all. The real proof is in the academic results when we get to grade 12 in this School of Excellence. That's why I will not compromise with the principal here, teachers or board. You must deliver the result that I will now give back to the Australians for the investment of working on the school. That's why we are starting with a fine admin building, so you have a teacher got office, computer, aircon, you are happy, you have a good environment so you can produce quality. And it's not only here. We will find money and maintain all the other buildings right throughout this school. Because we have to lift the whole infrastructure over here. And with that, academic results must improve. Next year, February, New Ministry, you had a good one education advisor. We will introduce and make sure for the first time in our history, we will deliver the Yanguru Social Education Awards publicly in front of Yanguru Social people in this field here. And we will reward the schools that done well in primary, up to graded exams, but we will give him all seal or over the man. What if school win number 1 Yanguru Social graded exam? What if school win grade 10? What if school win grade 12? But we give him award and a prize every single year. Who is the best principal? Who is the best headmistress? We start to reward them publicly. So district will budget for that occasion. And by big occasion of district Lomingla. All the line of press back I'm not looking, what if school perform? Right now, Messi Secondary is number 1 in the province. We have to beat them. It's very clear. We are going to have much better facilities. We're not going to allow this to go on. We must take over. We must be number 1. I will accept nothing less. As your leader, I will accept nothing less. So, critical issue of environment, teachers, and behavior of students. The bigots, the drunks must never be part of the school. Go somewhere else. We don't need you. Bible number 5, the commandment of Togola. What is the 5th commandment? You not talk. We all go to church. What is the 5th commandment? Honor your mother and your father. How do you honor them? You do well in school and all but proud of you. That's how you honor your parents. Keep the effort in the time somebody will go to school. Respect that and do well so that you can give honor to Papa Mabli. One day you turn around and look after them in their old age. Stop mucking around in school and focus on honoring your parents and honoring God and your parents. And you'll be somebody one day. I was in grade 3 and my mother told me, you must go to Unitec in Leh. I was a grade 3 student. I had already pictured going to Unitec. I made sure I worked hard all the way to high school, go to National High School, did very well and went straight to Unitec to live her dream. Now if today you go come up, no, Unitec finish, you must come up boss. I became CEO. Because my mother said, I must get there, I want to do. Please and honor her. Me no go to school one day Mexican finish. No compromise with my mother. She didn't even do grade 1. I'm very proud of my mother, who's still alive today. I live to honor her, and I hope you children today, on this day, will make up your mind to honor your parents. Honor your guardians. Honor what really to have when you are young. Stop coming to young secondary law, or me just school to solve. Freaks team, the player stuff here. This life no more. A more chapter, there's a new chapter. School of Excellence comes in next year. No more rubbish in this place. It starts with the board and the management and the teachers, and it will go all the way down to the community. That's what Ipatas did 25 years ago. And all had a talk, and now only moving country stuff here. Chief Secretary blow here. Former Chief Justice blow here. Secretary of Finance blow here. Would you better like you know why? Education, 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 education. Typically, we are move. We are going to start in Yangon Sasa. We are going to move education. And that starts with everything from environment. What's the number of young people over the heart? Maybe not better hand over the teacher's house. By next year, we bring MTV in. We are going to create an environment that is really conducive for education. The School of Excellence have another day student. Everybody's boarding. You belong. What are you? How you are still boarding student. Nobody will remember place in the government school. 7 o'clock you are in the study room. Below arrive on time, otherwise you punish. We are going to drill these people properly, and they are going to focus on school and education. Next year, Israelis are arriving. By January, Chicken Janga project and by open now. Company Kapsida, they will be giving scholarships to the best and the brightest from this school. To go to Israel and come, I will make sure that happens. Go and get the best of the education and come back and build our province and our nation and our district. So this is the start of a new journey. Namila talking, people of Yangon South here, gather today. The old Yangon Secretary and finish now. Start now, Nubla chapter and start now. Next time you will go now, if we are going to go. Ill-discipline, drunkenness, mucking around in school, and part of the old culture. I want the spirit of my days in Brandy to come back. Maski, you head prefect. Me stop looking now, Rosin. Head boy below school and drink now, Rosin. Triple blow all our prefects were sacked one day. No mucking around in that school, and that's why we were number 1. I am very proud to be an ex-Brandy student because they believed in academic excellence, and this is what we are going to instill in this place. We are not going to waste Yangon social money on Sumatin who are not prepared to commit themselves, apply themselves, and staff who are here to muck around and not committed to academic excellence. You will not be part of my district. You will not be part of the education system in the Yangon social district. I don't need you. Money and scarce resources here. We are putting scarce resources here, and other areas are being neglected because of that. So I want value. I want excellence. Lastly, Mr. Bakabi, before we open the School of the office, which is the start of the School of Excellence. I know Education Department, you have working policy of excellence. Province hasn't really worked on it yet. My district, in the next few weeks, I'll be calling all my headmasters, elementary coordinators, everybody, and we will write our education quality strategy for this district. And by start one them all, Mama Kara Belia, start one them all. What food they must eat? People all Magilo Belia must have proper nutrition. Currently in Papua New Guinea, 50% of our kids only got problem or call it stunting. Brain not developed because Mula Mama Blowall, now only little good plan. Nutritional issue and big issue in the country. Explaining Minister had maybe the access over the data. We'll start with the food you eat, mothers, kids. No Coca-Cola number here, not soft drink number. Stop all this. You remember a rule book on quality education. How do you develop the brains well? So we come to school about smart money. Type of food to eat, it will come all the way up. Elementary, what do we do with the elementary education? Come, all the way to grade 4. The district must write the first quality education policy in the country. We will start the process in English. Because already we are moving, we can't wait for the rest of it. We must take initiative. Awesome, now thank you over the land, Lokam. Go on the current message. Yangon Secondary is old chapter and finished now. New chapter start, chapter of excellence, and we will focus on academic excellence throughout Yangon South District. From elementaries to grade 12, from students to teachers to parents, there's a holistic approach by Imi Ogata Mobolsa. We want to be number one in the province and number one in the country, and we must make tough decisions. We must focus on discipline, focus on quality, and we have to apply ourselves so we can get there. Australians will invest in 18 million, they expect me to deliver. If we deliver, I'm sure they'll do more for us. It's up to us to now deliver through education excellence in Yangon South District. So next year we look forward to the first 120. But excellence is not only in that school. And by start law grade 9 law here. One rule book for everybody, one new code of conduct, discipline start law here, discipline students, discipline teachers, discipline communities na by Imigo. Lastly, we are talking about line of neighboring communities. You will have good. Now we start a local police operation. By next week, we come back to Mosby. I am going to get all the villages around Yangon rings, surround them over the gas bottle, gun, you block. Give up. Otherwise, I'll clean up you all up. No more men drums on these roads. Now, police people have to stop compromising RPSC. We are going to clean up this place. Place must nice, it must safe, people must welcome, children must welcome, no good environment, no what money has in more now, threatening more now, all must come good law school. So law and order will continue to be a focus of mine in this district. Now you know what a place for misbehavior. I'm talking to all your councillors one by one. Now, what about me come to place for Iblana? Enough. If not, you leave a councillor by you heavy threat. Hard and good. Clean the place, this station, and let this to be an environment where education must come a good platruna, or money must do well and go on and make us proud in the future. So enough of mucking around. Steam must finish, gun must finish now. Let's be disciplined because we are privileged Yangon that you will hosting the school for the whole district established here. So take responsibility and respect must start. The town now facilities law here. So I mean talk neighboring communities. Next few weeks I'll be moving around the ring and making sure no more heroes over steam finish now, guns coming. Now me no minister stop here. I'll be home every week here. Hard and good. Whatever you might be run over the place. Clean this place up. Clean the students, clean the communities, clean the teachers, and let's sort out academic excellence in this district and in this school. So I'm playing now, I'm look now, the old Yangon finishes today, we will cut the ribbon now, new chapter. We are going for quality to excellence today. Today is the historical day, and the shifting in the Yangon South District. With that, again, I want to congratulate the board, the district CEO and his team for a job well done. Thank you, Mr. Bakabi, for coming. Go and tell the story. We are giving the province 30 spaces. We want to work with you. We want to pilot with you. We want to partner the province, and we want to move the agenda of quality education. And we are prepared to be the pioneers, by starting the hosting law here. We know we have a long way to go in attitude and behavior, but we are committed to the process. May God bless all of you, and thank you very much for coming this afternoon. God bless.